Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all, children?
Fine.
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 Okay. So today, children, we will do revision test. So you have to take written test now. Written test. You know, we have 30 marks written test and only 10 marks for MCQ. Yes, Arav, are you feeling sleepy? No? Or yes? When did you get up? Now only? Okay, so children will take out your rough book. We have revised chapter multiplication. So we have studied how to identify multiplication word problems, then addition, subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Then in numbers, we have revised expanded form, number name, how to form a number, 5-digit number, then patterns and shapes. We have revised. Now, children, please take out your rough book, all of you. We will do revision in the rough book only.
Ma'am, I already took.
Ah. Good morning. We know we are doing written exam. We have written and MCQ. That's why. Okay. Now, question number 1. Multiply.
Ma'am, how many questions will be there, ma'am?
Don't worry about question. Okay.
And question also, right?
Yes, question also. Question also. Question you have to write. Then you will write the answer. You have to line up and write one below the other for before starting addition. Write the question. Okay, first write the question. Then you can start subtraction. Multiply the largest 4-digit number by multiply the largest 4-digit number by the largest 1-digit number. First write these 4 questions, then afterwards I will give you word problems. Okay. Here we have multiplication, addition, subtraction, and again multiplication.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, good morning. Please take your rough book, then write down these questions. Write down the question, then write down the answer also faster. How many questions over, children?
2,
Three.
Great.
4.
Ma'am, four also over.
See, children, try to do faster. Then only we can finish more questions. We can do more examples. Questions, no, we had to do. Two more minutes.
Ma'am, I finished all.
All. Because I want to give all the children has to finish.
No, ma'am, do not.
Hmm? I told you all the children has to do the questions alone. Means you have to write the question. So if you get any mistakes, you can practice again after the class. Okay. After the class also you can do the questions alone. If you are making some mistakes, so that's why I told you all the of you has to write questions. We have done chapter 1 and 2 that is term periodic test, so more questions will be from chapter 3, 4, 5. Okay, because already we have done one exam, that is term 1 periodic test. So children, we will discuss the answer.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So we'll start with the question number 1. I hope all of you have completed question number 1 and 2 at least.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done. Yes, I done.
See, I hope you have written all the questions. I told you, even if you have not completed, you can practice these questions after the class also. Okay, so we'll
Ma'am,
3
my work
to
is
8
done.
times 7. 3, 6. We'll write the answers in the next page. Answers. Question number 1. Yes? This is the question. 3628. 3628 multiplied with 7. What is the answer, children, you got?
25,396.
Yes. 25,000. What did you say? 25,396. Okay. We will, what is 8 times 7? 8 times 7?
56.
56. So we will write here 6. 5 is carryover. 2s are 7 into 2.
14.
14 plus 5.
19.
19. 1 is carryover. 6 into 7. 7s are
42.
42 plus 1. 43. 4 is carryover. 7 3s are 21. 4. 25. So your answer is correct. See, look, you told me the answer 25,396. So children, if anybody got mistake, well, you have to do check again after the class. Okay. Next one, question number 2. What is question number 2? You have to add, yes, 48415. 48415.
48,450 plus
Question number 2. 48415. The main step, you have to line up the numbers one below the other. See here, it is given as like a horizontal in single line. So first, what you have to do, you have to arrange them one below the other according to the place. Here 20098. Add. Okay. So 8 plus 5.
13.
13. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 9, 10.
10.
10 plus 1, 11. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 4,
5.
5. 8, 6. So the answer is 68,513.
68,513.
Correct answer. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Okay, next question. Look here, what you had to do. Subtract. Subtract. So we'll do here question number 3. Subtract 9, 0, 0, again 0, 5 minus 35,289. Try to do alone. I told you this for you to practice questions. We are doing all this before the exam. So try to do alone. Don't copy the answer. I have given enough time. Okay, children. Here, 5. Can you take 9 from 5 here?
No.
So what you have to do? Borrow from where? Here also 0. We cannot borrow. Here also 0.
9.
So from 9 start.
Ma'am, 9 shot. We want to
So
borrow.
9 become 8. Yes. Now from this 10, we are giving here. So it will be 9 here. Again from this 10, we are taking 10 here. So it will also be 9. And from this 10, we have to borrow. So here it will become 15. This much you have to do before starting subtraction. Yes, children. You have to check from which place we had to borrow. Here, the next highest place, that is also 0. So you cannot subtract. So you have to go to the 100 place, that is also 0. 1000 place also 0. So where, from which place you have to borrow? That is from 10,000 place.
10,000.
Okay. So children, before starting subtraction, you have to do like this, borrow. Okay, now you can subtract. 15 minus 9.
15 minus 9. 6.
6. Now, here it is big. 9 minus 8, 1. 9
One.
minus 2,
6.
9 minus 2. 7.
7.
9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. So the answer
5.
is 54,716. 54,716. 54. I think some children have made here mistake. Is there any? How many of you made mistakes here in this question? Question number 3. Yes. Did you understand your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, that's why I give you this question 0. When you borrow again, the next place is 0. Again 0. So you have to start from here. 10,000 place. So it will, you will give 1 to the thousands place. So this 9 will become 8. And here this from 10, you are giving again to 100 place. So this 10 will become 9 because it is giving 1. And here it becomes again like this. So here it becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 8, 1.
1.
9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 3. So the answer is 54,760. Okay. Now children, we will do next question. Question number 4.
Multiply the greatest 4-digit number by
Multiply the largest 4-digit number by largest 1-digit number. Largest, so you should know which is the largest 4-digit number. Then you should know which is the largest.
9.
Have you completed this question?
9. Yes, ma'am. Then I got the answer.
Ma'am, 4 9.
Now please be quiet and do your work faster. All the children mute your device. Some children, I think they are facing network issue. So the question, the largest 4-digit number. Children, you have to write the step. The largest 4, which is that largest 4-digit number? 9,000. Those who are finished, the step do now.
9.
Okay. See children, those who have not done the calculations, you have to do now. I'm just giving you 1 more minute to complete this question number 4.
Fourth question. Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Now we had to write the next step, the largest 1-digit number. The largest 1-digit number. Which is that number? 9.
9.
Have to multiply with these 2 numbers. Okay. So I will erase this question number 1 and 2. You have already checked whether you got correct answer. 9,999 you have to multiply with 9.
Ma'am, I know write the fourth question.
Fourth question is that this is that larger you have to multiply largest 4-digit number by largest 1-digit number. Now you just multiply this. The question is the same. You have to multiply largest 4-digit number by largest 1-digit number.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finish.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, now can you give me the answer?
Am I finished?
Ma'am,
Nine, nine,
nine, one.
nine, nine,
Nine, nine, nine,
nine, nine, nine, nine, one. Nine, nine.
Okay, we will check whose answer is correct. Okay, children. See, if you know 9 into 9, what is 9 into 9?
81.
Yes, only that you should know. 9 into 9 is 81. If you know this, we can do this question. So 81, we will write here 1, then 88 is carried over. So again, 9 times 9, 81 again. 81 plus 81 plus 8.
89.
89. Yeah. Again, 8 is carried over. Again, you have to do 81 plus 8. 89. Again, 8. Again, 9 plus 9. 81 plus 8. 89. So only this much is the answer. If you know what is 9 into 9, it's very easy. 9 into 9, 81. Then 8 is carry over. 81 plus 8, 89. Again 8 carry over, 89. Again 8 is carry over. But the last one we don't need to carry over. You can just write 89. So did you get the answer, children? Please check. 89,991.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Correct.
Ma'am, correct.
Okay. So if children, if you got any mistakes, what do you have to do? You have to write this question again and practice.
Okay,
And if you don't know multiplication tables, please try. Aditya, you joined now?
Yes.
We have done some revision questions here. We completed all these questions. Now we are going to start with question number 5. 5 children, we will do word problems. Word problems. Are you ready? Write the question faster, then write the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we did not do the question chapter 1.
Chapter 1. It will come. All that question, that word problems also.
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't finish writing the question, no?
Oh.
Question number 5. Three, 5, 4, 2 students went to school. Write the question with me faster, children. Otherwise, you will take more time and we cannot discuss the answer also. School from each town. From each town.
Ma'am, we had to write the question.
Yes, you have to write the question. That's why I told you, if you have any doubt, you can practice after the class also. Like this question, there were 4 such towns. 4 such towns. How many students went to school? How many students went to school? Went to school. Question number 5. Write the question for and answer. We will discuss, then we'll give another one. Now write this expanded form of this one. Question number 6. Expand.
Ma'am, we should write the
Not audible, my dear. Please write the question and write the answer also.
Ma'am,
Do these two questions faster.
ma'am, first we have to write both questions, or first we have to write one question, then it's answered, then next
Anyway, no
question.
problem. Anyway, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
I think we
Ma'am,
can have
I
only this
finished.
much time.
Am I finished?
Hmm.
Mine are finished, ma'am.
I'm giving you time, children. Now, no need to say, ma'am, I finished. I will ask. Some children they will do, but I want all the children to do alone. Very easy questions.
I want to do steps.
You have to write the step, of course. This word problem, no? We have practiced with how many steps, children?
Three,
Do you remember? We were revising. Huh?
Three.
Three. Yes. You had to write 3 steps.
Ma'am, the background noise.
You have to mute yourself. Children, we are saying this every day, and you are class 4 children. Class 4 children, you have to be responsible. Now, please turn on your camera. Many videos are all off. We are saying this every day, no children? Turn on your camera, then mute your device.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
it's black. Now your camera is black. Then
Who's
it's
speaking?
okay.
Who's speaking now?
Your camera is.
Huh?
Kailas.
What happened, Kailas?
Sometimes there your camera is black.
Okay, you have network issue, Kailas. That's your that is a problem. Now I'm going to take the attendance also.
The class.
Okay. So children, have you all completed these questions too?
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing question. Ma'am, I'm writing sixth question.
Okay, do it fast. And mute your device. See, children, if there is some disturbance in your background, no, what you have to do? You have to mute fast and turn on your camera. Still, some videos are off. Don't
I finished all the questions.
See, children, we will discuss the answer. Otherwise, you will not get time. Okay, so it's already 9:07. Here, what you will write the first step? This much students went to school. Number of children. Number of students.
In each town.
This much is enough. 3, 5, 4, 2. Okay. There were 4 such towns. Number of
Towns.
towns. 4. Then how many students went to school?
Number of students went to school.
Total number of students. What do you have to do? Tell me. What do you have to do?
Number of students.
That I understood. Now tell me, what is the calculation? How you will do? Multiply. Very good. That's what. This is multiplication problem. And what's the answer, children, you got?
14,168.
14,168. See, if anybody got mistakes, please try to
Yes.
multiply again. This you are multiplying with number 4. Find out the answer. Okay, next one. Expand this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Before start expansion, you can do like this. So 6 is in which place? 10,000. So
10,000.
number of zeros. Please check the number of zero. If one zero is not there, your answer will be full wrong.
0.
Means children 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of zero. Okay. Then plus 0. Again 0. No need to multiply with any number. Any number multiply with 0. Now 2 into 2 is in which place? 100. 2 into 100.
100.
Plus 5 into 5 is 10. Plus 7 into 1. Now multiply 60,000. 60,000.
60,000.
Write the 0 again.
200,000
200
plus
plus
100 plus
50
50
plus
plus 7.
7. Okay.
Ma'am.
If you don't write 1 0 also, you can make full wrong for your. And all the question, it's 2 marks. You can count your marks. No need to tell me. You have to assess yourself. All the questions. 6 questions, 6 twos are 12. Assess yourself how mark you got.
Ma'am, all questions 2 marks.
Ma'am,
All question
the
2
fourth
marks.
question,
Huh?
98,880.
Which one?
81 is correct answer.
Which one?
Ma'am, I got
And
11.
the fourth question,
Fourth.
98,800.
Fourth question is this.
Correct.
89,991. Now, children, I think the time is over. So please try, if it's for you, before the exam, you are assessing yourself. Check how many mark you got out of 12. Is there any problem with the multiplication or multiplication tables? How to expand the number? If 1 0 is not there, your answer will be wrong. You know, children, maths, you have to be more accuracy. I can see some children are showing me, but you have to assess yourself. And tomorrow also we will continue with our revision because we have done only some chapters, yes, in the test, and the MCQ also will be done tomorrow. Okay, children, bye bye. Study well again. Please practice multiplication. Yes, Adidev.
I am ready for seminar.
Huh?
Seminar.
Seminar. The time we will do next class. Okay, you joined late. We started already revision test. Okay, no problem. We'll do in the next class. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.